Welcome back to another MachMotion demo. Today I'm going to show you guys the retrofit kit we installed on this new CNC router frame. You can come over here and load a G-code file. What to do is click load and then select my G-code file. So I've selected these two squares and now we'll zero the router. We can utilize the wireless MPG pendant to make this quick and easy. Alright. Now that we have the router lined up where we want the program to start, I can come over here and just click 0x and 0y. I've already set up my Z depth. Now all we have to do is press cycle start. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any more questions about our control, you can visit us at MachMotion.com.